Hi everyone, this is Massimo and today we will talk about how I managed to do this sculpting from no idea, from no brief till the end. I basically started this project with no brief because I wanted to be a bit more free to explore what I wanted. The only fixed point was that I wanted to create a trophy. We had a challenge with a friend of mine on the slopes and it was basically a head-to-head between snowboard and ski. I actually lost. Even though I got to 85 kilometers per hour, I was not fast enough. So he won this challenge. I wanted to create this trophy as a sort of celebration of the challenge we had. So I started from zero and I decided to go ahead and just be free without like too many limitations. So I started modeling from a sphere, which I usually do for every single model I do. I got to a face, a head sculpt. I started always with general proportion and then added details and some features like horns, and then I cut the horns in order to explain that this character goes from one point to another, evolving, so that has a story behind basically. So in the end I created this character that to me expressed like physical power, strength and had like a feeling of story behind. And then I realized that it was a sort of reinterpretation of Hellboy, and so I was like, okay, maybe I can use this to my advantage. I took the logo of Hellboy, the original one, and modified it a bit and added some dumbbells because this friend of mine, apart from being really fast with the ski, is also really into weightlifting. So yeah, I did this like fasting in Photoshop and just added to the model. I did some rendering to see the proportion, like details, if everything was working sort of okay. I then modeled also a base because I wanted to have a trophy like with a base saying something, and then I wrote the fastest 2019-2020 because for sure next year there will be another challenge. And yeah, basically the 3D modeling was done. Now it was time to 3D print everything, and if I wanted to 3D print all this head alone would take like 24 hours or something, even more probably. So I decided to divide the head in different pieces, in different layers, in order to be able to print them in like 4 or 6 hours. Coming back from work, I would just start in the 3D printing as I went to bed. It was great. After that was basically time to glue all the pieces together. I did also some like alignments, hues inside them. In the end I didn't use because I was like too much in a hurry to finish the project, so I figured out it was easier just to glue them. In order to glue them I used just this like China acrylate, is like a normal super glue, so nothing fancy. Like to place the aluminium tube, I decided like to heat up the aluminium tube with my soldering iron and push it through the material in order to have support to my surprise, it worked flawlessly with no problems. After that, I just placed it on the base that I had with the hole pre-existing basically, so everything was finished, and this is how it looks. By the way, if you like this kind of videos and if you want me to do more videos like these, please leave a like, subscribe and hit the bell and comments, or ask whatever you want in the comments. Now let's go with the videos. So yeah, I hope you liked these videos. This was a super fun challenge to me because I didn't have brief. I usually work just with brief. Yeah, it was really fun, like to explore whatever I wanted to explore. It's actually also one of my biggest illustrating I ever did, so I'm really happy with the results. And yeah, see you guys next time. I hope you like these videos. I forgot something. This is on the new videos. On the next video, we will open this package, so stay tuned. We will see what this is about.